Hi, I'm Victor. On this channel, I make videos to help people who want to build an online business of their own, save time and money. I like to create honest reviews of software and training in the make money online business world. Sometimes the reviews are positive and sometimes more negative, but always with an honest opinion based on experiences and training I've already gone through myself. The online business world we live in is full of sharks and people who sell dreams and emotions along with software and training that just don't and sometimes can't even live up to their own sales promotions. Ultimately, I hope my videos can provide some help for you in deciding on some things to try or turn away from, whether it's just because it's not any good or maybe because it's just not the right fit for you. I'll promote things I like along the way and provide my reasons for that too, and maybe even create some how-to videos. I love the idea of counting your cost before making any commitments, as well as taste and see if something is good. Check something out, see if you can learn from someone before you're gonna pay for it or anything. And I have rarely seen any online business training that allows you to do either of these things. If you're interested in one that does, which I trust myself, look into the description of the video for a link to some free training called Taking Action Online, also known as TAO. I'm not even affiliated with it directly myself, but it might help you. If you have any questions or ideas about things you'd like to see a video about, please let me know and I'll try and help. If it fits in my plans, I might even make a video in response.